Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Windows 11 Start menu has completely frozen, become unresponsive, or simply refuses to open, it can completely stop you from using your computer. I will show you exactly how to safely restart your system processes and run built-in repair commands to get your taskbar working perfectly again. Let's get started. First, we will try the quickest fix, which is restarting the background process that actually runs your Start menu. Since you can't use the Start menu, simply press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys on your keyboard all at the same time to force open the Task Manager. Scroll down the list of background processes until you find the one named Windows Explorer. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Your screen and taskbar will flash for a brief second, and this simple software refresh is often all it takes to instantly unfreeze the menu. If restarting Explorer didn't work, we can force Windows to reinstall the core files that power the Start menu. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type in PowerShell and then press Control, Shift, and Enter all at the same time to open it with administrative privileges. In the blue window, paste exactly the long command provided in the video description. Hit Enter and wait a moment for the text to finish scrolling. This completely resets the Start menu components back to their default factory state, so just right-click your Start button, select Shutdown or Sign Out, and restart your PC to lock the fix in. If you still cannot open the menu after a reboot, you might have corrupted Windows system files causing the crash. Open your Task Manager again by pressing Control, Shift, and Escape. Select Run New Task and type in CMD. Make sure you carefully check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges and hit OK. In the black command prompt window, type SFC //scan now and press Enter. This will trigger a deep automatic scan of your entire Windows operating system to find and repair the exact damaged files that are preventing your taskbar from loading. Finally, if none of the command line tools worked, it might be a deeply rooted bug with your specific user profile or an outdated version of Windows. You can open your Task Manager again, select Run New Task, check the admin box, and type Netplwiz. Hitting Enter will open the User Accounts menu where you can easily click Add to create a brand new user profile and see if the Start menu works on a clean account. If you don't want to make a new account, simply open your system settings by pressing the Windows key and the letter I at the same time, navigate to Windows Update, and install any pending patches Microsoft has released to fix these exact bugs. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.